My name is Calvin, and I want to show you something that my brother Terry and I built. My wife and I are going to be taking an extended trip. We're going out west, and this is the truck we're going to tow behind our motorhome. It's a 2008 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive, and the Gold Wing. Show them the Gold Wing we're going to be taking with us. That's something we wanted to be able to take with us. It's cold outside today. I'm letting it warm up. But I was telling my brother about some things I'd seen on YouTube. I'm going to show you what we ended up building. I've got about $240 in this, and if you want to step up, Tammy, take a look at the electronics. I've got everything wired where it's fairly quick disconnect. I can have everything out of the back of the truck in about 10 minutes. I've got some bolts up front. The back of this there's nothing resting on the tailgate. I've got this coming out of the receiver hitch, so that carries the bulk of the weight. This is actually barn door tracking, and we've reinforced it with angle iron. But I'm going to show you in a nutshell how everything works. We're actually going to load the motorcycle. So let me grab my remote control. And I put some extension wire on this so I can do a complete walk around. First thing we're going to do is unpin the pins here, and this actually holds the track in. Okay, I'm going to repin the platform. We want to keep it substantial as I'm loading the motorcycle so it will not move. I'm going to pull those. I got this from Harbor Freight. We had to modify it so it would fit the Gold Wing. Got two little stops right here to keep this. That's as far as I want it. Now I'm going to unpin the cradle, and that is going to allow the bike to come up in there. But I've also, step up here and look at this, Tammy. We want the cradle to where it will not move, so we put a little stop right here. So that will keep it from moving any farther up. So now I'm going to get the bike. And this I put on there just so I can load it myself. I can keep the front center. Locked in. Okay, I'm going to have it pause for a second. I'm going to strap the front. No use you watching me do that, and then after I get the front strapped, we'll come back. Okay, we've got everything strapped down, and I've just got tension around the shocks. I'm going to raise my pin. Okay, the pin is out of the way, and we're going to, you got to make sure the bike is in neutral. Those pins are out. This pin I will pin whenever it gets more weight on it. We're going to start up. And then that's it. We'll pin the back, and believe me, I've got multiple straps that will be strapping the bike down for transport. 875 pounds. The truck is gross weight for 1275 up to 2,000 pounds. So now I will show you the reverse order on how to unload. It's set in at enough downhill, I don't even have to pull now, so we'll I will repin it and just reverse the whole procedure. So hope you learned something, and this is something that the average handyman I believe can do. Thank you guys. Have a good day.